This old baking tray was on its way to the trash, rusty and totally worn out. But a little Pinterest inspiration sparked an idea. And since I love repurposing things for home decor, I had to give it a try. I'm using a green acrylic paint and applying it with a brush. For the second coat, I like to start applying it with a sponge. I find that it covers better and you won't get those brush marks. When removing the top part of the transfer, always be careful to make sure that you pressed all over. Sometimes you have to go back to press on an area and peel off gently. I like to peel off half and then I start from the other side. So if I missed any pieces, I will have time to put them in place. This is the piece of wood I measured and cut earlier, sanding it down and applying antiquing medium. Here I noticed this antiquing medium wasn't the color I wanted, so I went and got another shade and this worked perfectly. This will be used as a little shelf, so I wanted it to be secure, not just using glue. So I drilled into the metal and I nailed it down into the wood. Here I'm painting another piece of wood, the same size as the shelf, in a white chalk paint, and I will be using it further on because as we craft, we come up with different ideas on how we can adjust the project. For the bottom part, I painted two square strips of wood, and I am nailing them down to the bottom part. I had to find a way that I can hang some hooks to it, so I had to put these strips of wood. Usually as I start creating a project, I don't have the full picture in my mind. I start and then I add on accordingly to how it looks. Here I noticed that the top piece was a little bit too bare, so then I decided to make some air dry clay molds with my IOD molds and stick them on the top part. Let me know in the comments section if you liked this project or if you would have done anything differently. This can be used as a key holder. It has a little shelf to put some sweet decor on it, and the green part, since it's metal, can be used for magnets. Thank you for staying with me till the end of the video. I hope you enjoyed this week's project, and if you're interested in more creative projects like this, please remember to hit the subscribe button and leave me a comment in the section below. I would really love to hear from you. I will see you all on my next video. Bye bye.